Soy contains all the essential amino acids that are required for human nutrition that can also be found in meat. Texturized soy protein, or also known as texturized vegetable protein, and it is a plant-based meat replacer. They replicate the meat in terms of mouthfeel, texture, color, taste, and smell.
Soybeans are grinded into soy flour and passed through the process of soy protein extraction to remove oil and produce the fatty soy flour. The extracts contain physically trapped and bonded phenolic compounds which interferes the protein's non-covalent bonding and change the protein conformation. The defatted soy flour are then passed through the extrusion process. During extrusion process, cross-linking in the soy protein is formed. Aggregation using moist heat at 160 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius with high pressure and mechanical force will mediate the protein subunit by both physical and chemical interaction. High heat can cause the breakage of intermolecular bonds. High pressure and mechanical force are known to change the conformation of protein. Thus, cross-linking forms new peptide bonds between the free amino and carboxylic groups of protein fractions. With the cross-linking of proteins, protein texturization happens due to the disulfide bonding, electrostatic, and hydrophobic interactions. Texturization process involves imparting a structure by restructuring the protein molecules into a layer cross-linked mass that is resistant to the disruption upon further heating or processing. The physical structure of texturized soy protein gives ability to retain water and moisture during cooking, reheating, freezing, and thawing.
We first prepare the TSP by hydrating them in warm water for 15 minutes. As we hydrate the TSP, we can see a lot of bubbles form around the TSP. Place into heated oil at 180 degrees Celsius and fry until golden brown. As you can see here, we use 50 grams of the dry TSP, and after hydrating the TSP, the total weight increase was 4 times more than the weight before. After hydrating the TSP for 15 minutes, the TSP is bigger in size and it has expanded. After deep frying, the weight of the TSP reduced from 207 grams to 136 grams, which is about 35% lighter than the weight before. We use soy sauce, tomato sauce, salt, white vinegar, cornstarch, brown sugar, and water. We coated the TSP in a sweet and sour sauce to enhance the taste of TSP as it is tasteless. The ingredients were stirred together and placed onto the stove on medium heat. The cornstarch and water was mixed together to make a slurry and poured into the mixture and stirred well to thicken the sauce. Lightly toss the TSP into the sauce. The dish is now ready to be served.
No, I got a soy protein before, but not texturized.
No. No idea. No.
It's like crunchy chakwe.
Okay.
Tastes really cheap. Like those you eat in the Chinese restaurant, they're not the kai cao, they're chakwe.
Crunchy.
This land no. Outside artificial.
Oh, similar.
If you ask me, it reminds me of the fish satay.
Remind me of a lot of vegetarian food. It's the like something very puffy things.
Give you the meat fiber. This one is absent.
It's not that.
Yeah, so when you bite in, then it's like just air.
Okay.
It's crunchy in air. Different.
Very different.
So I did like a tofu texture.
Tofu texture?
Tofu texture.
Okay.
Crunch and then you like very chewy side. Chewy something very sticky, but this one different. This one you can feel the sponge.
Is it juicier?
Yeah, you see it.
Yes, totally two different things.
totally two different things. No?
No, might be able.
Like, you can accept it.
That has because it's okay.
I think because I didn't, like, I don't want or I just can accept it.
Because I already like everyday chicken, maybe I get bored already.
If you want me to say that tastes like chicken, it doesn't at all.
Okay.
But if you serve to a vegetarian and stuff, they will accept it.
It depends on who is the target market.
Yeah, depends.
Right. If you, I think you are like, let's say vegetarian Chinese, I think they can accept this. Yeah, but chicken is actually full of texture. So I think it's two different things.
Yes, I consider that. Probably, we just to leave it just to try.
Like that, then I cannot accept the flavor lah.
Okay. So it's
Because
more.
it's totally different thing.
For me,
You will.
yeah. Soy products are utilized in various combinations with other proteins, such as meat, milk, and cereal grains. Texturized soy protein is added into meat products to increase health benefits and to improve the sensory characteristics in terms of texture and flavor, as well as to reduce the formulation cost. Texturized soy protein are also used in retorted products such as beef patties, pizza toppings, frozen dinners, and canned meat to absorb juice released during canning, resulting in a less sloppy and firmer final product.
There are the other common meat replacers such as tofu and tempeh. Reducing meat consumption can help to save the environment, and it is more ethical as we do not kill animals.